Ladies and gentlemen, it's a time for the results. The fourth runner-up for Miss Universe India 2025 is Sarangatham Nirupama.
And requesting Rufojano Vizo, the fourth runner-up of Miss Universe India 2024, to kindly come up on stage for the crowning.